Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Shawn Pupello, broker owner of Pupello Realty Company. I'm here today to tell you 5 things every homeowner should know when they're getting ready to list their home for sale. First and foremost, interview several real estate agents because not everyone's going to be the right fit for you. Make sure you find the one that is, and remember that commissions are negotiable. Second, you'll want to declutter and depersonalize your home because having too many things on your counters or laying around your home can distract people from the things that your home has to offer. Third, a pre-list home inspection could be your best friend, giving you a heads up on things you might want to address before you put the home on the market. Fourth, curb appeal. Very important. Curb appeal is the thing that draws people into your home in the first place, gets them in the door so they can see if they would like to buy it. Fifth thing is pet odors can be a super deal killer, so you'll want to address those before moving any cat litter boxes, perhaps outside or into the garage. Follow us for more tips.